So for partner here, what you gain is really an edge, differentiation, which means that you get, faster enterprise win. And then from the moment you get your first win, it's really a repeatable recipe that you can put in place. It's always the same concerns. It's always the same as-is infrastructure that we can repeat. I like this quote. This is how we work here. It's not because they want, it's because how SAP is. Okay? So it's really having everything standardized, it's strong governance, it's ERP centric. So having manufacturing, finance, supply chain, and asset management is often, the little brother of the bunch, which is not really a good fit for those asset intensive industries like the two customer success stories we've talked about. It's really the strength of a platform as an architecture. You get to pick and choose the right extension, the right partner, the right expertise to really bring a tailored solution without having to going into specific, tailor-made code and all the maintenance that comes with it and the risk. Okay, so really think reducing risk here when you choose Business Central as a platform with the right solution. Microsoft provides, of course, all of the security, the compliance, and ultimately all the enterprise deals we've closed, Rick, have started with a pilot program. It's a small investment to make to reduce the risk for those companies, so they'll do it. Pilot is not a demo, really. It's really providing the proof, them testing it out, getting access, getting their hands dirty, having a technician in the middle of a mine pit, creating a work order, see if it works out. Ultimately, it's getting those success metrics and hitting their KPIs, providing trust that's going to close out those deals.